Hello, everyone. My name is Alex. Today, I will show you my daily routine and teach you some easy English. I wake up at 7 every morning. Then I get out of bed and start my day. First, I go to the bathroom. I put toothpaste on my brush and brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I wash my face with clean, cool water. Now I feel fresh. Now I get dressed for school. I put on my clothes and my shoes. I am ready for the day now. But first, it is time for breakfast.
Good morning, Alex. Are you hungry? Breakfast is ready.
Yes, Mom. I am very hungry.
Thank you.
I eat my breakfast slowly. Breakfast gives me energy for my busy day. After breakfast, I pack my school bag. I check my books, pencils, and water bottle. My school bag is ready, and I have everything I need. Now, I am ready for school.
Have a great day at school, Alex.
Thank you, Mom. See you after school. I walk to school every morning. The fresh morning air makes me feel happy. Good morning, Alex. How are you today? Good morning, Sam. I am great. Are you ready for school? Yes, I am ready to learn something new today. We are at school now. I am excited to learn and see my teacher.
Good morning, Alex and Sam. Welcome to class.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, we are going to learn some simple English sentences.
Great! I am ready to learn. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth every morning.
Excellent! Very good, boys. Alex, tell us one thing you do every morning.
I wake up, brush my teeth, and eat breakfast. Every morning, I wake up, wash my face, get dressed, and eat breakfast. Alex, it is break time! Do you want to play? Yes! Let's play together! I like playing football with my friends. It is so much fun! The break is over. Now it is time to go back to class. What did you bring for lunch, Alex? I have a sandwich, some fruit and water. School is over now. I learned many new things today. See you tomorrow, Alex. See you tomorrow, Sam. Have a great evening.
Welcome home, Alex. How was your day?
It was great, Mom. I learned many new things. When I come home, I wash my hands with soap. Clean hands keep me healthy. After washing my hands, I sit down with my family and eat lunch.
What did you learn at school today?
I learned some easy English sentences, Mom. After lunch, I go to my study table. Now it is time to do my homework. I open my notebook and start my homework. I try to do my best. I practice English every day because I want to speak English better. My homework is finished! Now I can relax and have some fun. I finished my homework. Now it is time to go outside and play. Alex, pass the ball to me. Sure, Sam. Here you go. We are having so much fun. I love spending time with my friends. I had a great time playing outside. Now I am back home with my family. I eat dinner with my family. Then I put on my pajamas and get ready for bed. Today I learned many English sentences. Keep practicing, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Friends, subscribe to our channel for more English videos. Comment below and tell us what topic you want to learn next. Bye-bye.